back on myself. It's experiential. We usually impart to them what we are used to seeing or doing. And that's not always a good thing, because we work hard, you know, you have that work ethic, you work hard, but you're not doing all those other things that you just mentioned. You're not doing that emotional development thing with your daughters. So it becomes cyclical. So you see
It does, because you didn't see it happen,
Right.
maybe you didn't know it, and I see your
Right.
hand and I wanna honor you. And I do wanna say that you may not do it because you're busy. The goal of these workshops is to make you consciously aware. So that just like you're scheduling, I get up at 7, I take a bath at 7:30, I put my pants on, I get in the car, I do this job and that job, and then I go by the grocery store, and then I go pay this bill, and then I get home. Schedule in that time for your daughter.
So this will be, it should become muscle memory. Now this is a part of my life like everything else. My daughter's a part, yeah.
My interaction and my my sort of pattern development is as important as my job, because what? It's your job. And nobody can do it but you. And then when she has those patterns and all of those behaviors are in her emotional center, when she walks out into the world, she's gonna know, she's gonna have the tools, and she's actually subconsciously just only gonna be attracted to some of those things. But what we don't see is when we're not present, sort of what we're teaching her is that the man I love is a little aloof. He's maybe busy. I know he loves me, but he's too busy for me, and that's okay because he loves me. So they tend to attract men who really aren't emotionally ready to be there. They attract men who don't give them the attention or the time or the respect that they just, because to them, that's love. That's what they grew up with. Dad's busy. A man who loves you is busy. Busy. Be there. It's not about quantity, it's about quality. Take her on a small date. Go get ice cream. Pull that chair out. Open that door. Listen. Use what we call I statements. Oh, I know what I hear you saying. So you're saying, when I do X, Y, and Z, this is how you feel, baby? Oh, okay. Well, it makes me feel so-and-so, 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 whatever it is, right? So you're using emotional language. You're teaching her that a man can sit down and have conversation, respect her brain, respect her as a person. You're teaching her everything in that moment. And it could be just 30 minutes. Okay? And no judgment, but that's kind of what it means. Now, can women learn and relearn? Yeah, they can come to what I call my life class. That's the lasting influence of the father effect. And what we break down is, what are the lessons that I learned and didn't learn? What are the things that are embedded in my subconscious mind that has me attracting the same dude on dates every time? Why do I keep going out with the same guy who is emotionally immature, or emotionally unavailable, physically unavailable, isn't there and always working, can't take me on dates? Why do I attract that guy? That's in my life class for women. So you can send her there. Send her to the class. And you might see her, while she's probably prospering in her job, in her career, you might also get what you want for her, a man who loves her and respects her and treats her well.
Life
It's called